Eeny, miny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger in its toe. If it growls, let it go. Eeny, miny, miny, mo. That's one. So, okay, let's see over here. Let's put them in the side. I'm super excited because this is from Mommy Lottie.
Just read it.
Okay.
May I see the
Two
the cards?
Look at that. This little bear. So let's see. To Claire. Birthday.
Belated.
Belated. Birthday.
Diyan na, ha?
Happy birthday.
Ninang. From
Ninang na Laoni. Okay, Laoni. I just almost. Okay, I'm super excited what he brought me.
You are now, what you are doing right now?
I'm unboxing the gift. I'm not unboxing it. Unboxing it. Not unboxing it. Unboxing. Oh, I'm super excited. Let's take the whole tape off. I like it. Dun. Wow! It's such a pink t-shirt. This
It's
is
a
what I
crop
wanted.
top.
Crop top. This is
Yeah.
what I wanted. A pink crop top. So let's put this in my lap. Okay, let's take this away. Let's see.
No
Wait!
more?
A minute. Kaping mainit. Okay. Wow! What is this, baby? Look at it, guys. It's all pink. Like Brianna's favorite color. Okay, there's no more over here. Ready? Let's see what is the next. Okay, we're gonna eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger and it's go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So let's write no fun. This one. Yeah, I like this. Okay, this is what I choose. And I forgot it. Okay. To Claire. So we have already, this is the part 2 to open the gift. I like it. So this is here. To Claire. Belated. Happy birthday from Ninang Jing.
Jing.
Jing. Okay. I'm super excited. What did he brought me this kind of days? So excited. And I'm gonna do that ding back again.
Ding.
Okay, wait.
Ding.
A red. Nothing. Ooh, red pajamas. Ooh, I don't know what is the brand of this, but what's this? Another crop top.
Yes.
I love it. This crop tops. This is what I wanted. Crop tops. Okay, what is this? We don't have to any more. Okay, this is to Claire. Greeted. Happy birthday from Ninang Melfa. I like the word of it. Melfa. Fafa. I don't know.
Wait, sana ka?
Okay, let's see. This is part 3 of opening the gifts. And this is from Mommy Melfa. We already read it. Okay, let's see. I don't know how to open this. This is super hard to open. I don't like to. You see the wrapping paper. I don't like it. Okay, look at that. It's nature.
You need scissors?
No. I got it. Almost got it. Scissors. Thank you, please. I need scissors. We're already opening it. I'm excited. Okay. Ouch. It broke one strand of. Oh! Wow! This is what I wanted. Whoa! Maybe it's another crop top. I like it. Wait, is this crop top or not? This is not a crop top.
A pajamas.
Super unicorn.
A terno. Sleeping.
Sleeping one. I'm gonna try it on. All of them. So.
First, the unicorn. The last one.
No! I'm gonna. What's here again? I have taped the t-shirt and. Wait! There. Barbie! I like it. I'm gonna try all of them on, but not. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, just say thank you.
Thank you so much. And first, let's see the unicorn. Let's see. We're gonna wear it. We're gonna testing it out if it fits, because I think
Just an.
all those get down your little crop tops. There's 3 crop tops. I like it. There's gonna be 3 crop tops. Whoa! Okay, there's nothing. That's nothing. That's nothing. I'm just testing it out. So let's see the unicorn. It fits perfectly like a glove. Right, let's up it up so it won't be sick. Because loads of my pajamas is always easy.
Okay, see.
It fits.
The
It
t-shirts.
fits.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this off already. I don't like it.
No. Just fit first the terno.
Okay, it's done already. It fits like a glove.
Ah, only this one. Just pair it.
I love to pair it.
Mm.
No.
This
I'm
one.
gonna take
Just
this.
wear
No.
the Barbie and that one.
No.
Terno ba? Terno.
I like it. I'm wearing it already. No, I don't do it.
Okay, wear the Barbie.
With the unicorn. I hope you brought the right size because I'm already 6. I hope you brought the right size.
So it's fit. It's the right size.
Yes, it is right tight.
Okay, the blouse.
Okay, let's see the blouse. I'm gonna turn this. I don't know. I almost wore it.
It's large.
Well, not
You
quite
can
large.
find the size here.
Yeah, it's L. Letter L.
Means large.
What? Large. Wait, these people always brought me large stuff.
Yeah, because you're growing up already. You're grown up.
Amazing.
Wow.
didn't have-
It's the right size.
Okay, let's take it off. Oh, that was wet as me. I'm excited to try the crop tops. I'm really excited to try the crop tops because I love crop tops. I never had one before. And this is my first day trying a crop top. Amazing. Having a crop top in your first day? Already 6? Right? Amazing?
Yeah.
My mom didn't have a crop top because they're poor. Okay, that's the biggest secret. Da-da-da. Revealed. Secret revealed. Oh!
Careful, be careful.
Okay, I'm going back half. Oh no.
Slowly.
Oh no, it's stuck in my feet. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no. Oh no, this is too long.
Pull it up, pull it up.
Oh!
Slowly, pull it up.
Okay, done. It's done. Okay, it fits. I like to see the crop top. I want to see it being rise. I didn't. Well, it's almost fitting me. Okay, I'll try it. Try your best. Okay. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Excited. Wait. See the crop top. Booja, 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 booja. I want to do this like this. We
No,
can't have-
not yet.
Not
No
yet.
need, no need to do that.
I Okay, we're gonna take this off. This is super sweaty.
Next year.
Okay, next year. Okay, you have already seen the red one, so we're not gonna try it, the red one.
Just try it.
Just the pajamas, not the crop top.
It's a crop top.
Where do we have to? Just I found the crop top. Help me found! Here it is! I found it! But first, this is quite a struggle. Wait, maybe we can't wear it on.
It's brand Nike.
What's the brand?
Then the other one is Adidas.
Adidas. There, my dad.
And when you see the check, that is Nike. Slowly.
Okay, okay. My dad, my dad has a shorts Adidas brand. You ever tried Chanel? Okay, that's all. That's for Blackpink Chanel.
Tarong mo na yung buhok. Nakmurag kagmungo diha eh.
It's okay. I look like a monster. Ha!
What's dance is that?
Whoa! This one amazing. I can't let myself see.
You look like Britney Spears wearing crop top and then the pajamas. Yeah, that is the crop top. Yeah, that one. And then without this green t-shirts, yeah, that is the crop top.
Yes. If we do this and we
No need to do that.
I seen that would be jump. Okay, let's take this off. This is super sweaty. Ooh, I can see. I have night vision if I wear this thing. I have
So
night
what
vision.
can you say?
I am super thank you because it's amazing. It's amazing. I even love the unicorn Bobby. That's why that is too. Super thank you.
Okay, say bye.
Bye bye. That's all, guys. Like and subscribe to my videos.
Bye.
Bye.